Hello guys, welcome back to Packet Drift. Today I will try to learn basic about the computer networking and its different type and how it is different from one to another. So let's get started. So guys, when we talk about computer network, it is nothing but a group of computers or some end host, or we can say the computing devices connected with each other through a transmission medium such as the cables or wires, or even it could be uh, air, that is wireless medium. Basically there are three types of computer network. One is LAN, that is local area network. Second is MAN, that is metropolitan area network, and third is WAN. So we'll be talking about all these three type here, and we'll be discussing how it is different than other. Let's talk about LAN first. As I said, it is a local area network. Let's say there are four pieces or end computing device, we can say, connected via single network switch. And if entire connectivity is in a single building, single campus, or in a single floor, then this network is said to be local, because this network is local to that area or that particular place. This entire LAN is not limited to only wired connectivity between all those end computing devices. This end computing devices can be connected with each other via even with the wireless connection. Now the second is MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. When you have two different sites in a different geography of a single metropolitan area, and so the connectivity between them is termed as a MAN. For example, you have a Mumbai suburb area where, where your office is there, where it has their own LAN network, which is connected via their switch, and one your office is in Mumbai town site, town area, where you have your another LAN network connected via their internal switch. When you connect these two LAN network with each other via some lease line or third party uh, provider which is having their Ethernet ring inside an entire your metropolitan area, then the entire network connectivity is termed as metropolitan area network, because it is inside single metropolitan area, which covers the larger part of the connectivity. Now, third and last is WAN, that is wide area network. If you have multiple LAN or MAN network in a different geographical location at a larger distance, and you are connecting to them or you are connecting with each other, then the entire connectivity is termed as a WAN or wide area network. For example, you have three different offices at three different cities. Let's say you have office in Mumbai, and you have office in Delhi, and you have office in Bangalore. And obviously you will be having their own network, their own local network. Let's say uh, Mumbai is having LAN 1, sorry, LAN 1. Delhi is having their MAN network, and Bangalore is having their LAN, another LAN network, their local network. And if you are connecting them with each other, then this connectivity is known as the wide area network connectivity, or it is this entire network of your office is known as the WAN network, that is the wide area network. Another example of this WAN is the internet. Internet is world's biggest WAN network, which connects the different part of the world computer network with each other. Hope you guys enjoyed the learning today in this video. Please do like and comment your view in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more learning. Thank you.